From cryptocurrencies to EMFs and gaming collectibles, everything you trade on a blockchain is built using tokens. But did you know there are different kinds of them, each with a unique purpose? Today, we'll break down ERC-20, ERC-721, and ERC-1155 simply and visually. You're watching Factsralogy, where curiosity meets reality. A quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So what exactly is a token? Think of a token as a digital representation of value, ownership, or access on a blockchain. If you imagine Ethereum as a giant operating system, then tokens are like the applications that run on top of it. Some tokens act just like money, allowing you to buy and sell things. Others represent unique digital art or collectibles, proving you're the rightful owner. And then there are tokens that function inside video games and metaverse platforms, giving you special abilities or items. To make all of this work seamlessly, tokens need to follow specific rules or standards. These standards ensure that different wallets, exchanges, and applications can all recognize and handle them automatically, creating a smooth and interconnected ecosystem. Let's start with the most common one, the ERC-20 standard. These are what we call fungible tokens. Fungible simply means that every unit is identical and interchangeable, just like how every $1 bill holds the same value as another, or one Bitcoin is the same as any other Bitcoin. Because they are interchangeable, ERC-20 tokens are perfect for creating digital currencies like the stablecoins USD and DAI, or even meme coins like Shiba Inu. They're also used as governance tokens, which give holders voting rights in a project, and as utility tokens that grant access to services within decentralized finance or DeFi applications. The ERC-20 standard was revolutionary because it made it incredibly easy for anyone to launch their own cryptocurrency on the Ethereum network. It created universal compatibility for wallets, smart contracts, and exchanges, laying the foundation for the entire DeFi revolution we see today. Next up, we have ERC-721, the standard that gave birth to the world of ENFs, or non-fungible tokens. Now, unlike the interchangeable ERC-20 tokens, each ERC-721 token is completely unique and cannot be exchanged one for one with another. Think of it like a one-of-a-kind piece of art. Imagine a unique digital painting, an original piece of music, or a legendary character in a video game. Each one has its own distinct identity and a verifiable proof of ownership recorded permanently on the blockchain. This concept of verifiable digital scarcity is what makes ENFs so valuable. This flexible hybrid standard combines the best of both worlds, allowing both fungible and non-fungible tokens to exist within a single smart contract. This is a game changer, especially for blockchain gaming. For example, in a video game, you might have fungible items like stacks of gold coins or health potions, where each unit is the same. At the same time, you could have unique, non-fungible items like a legendary sword with special attributes or a rare character skin. ERC-1155 allows a game developer to manage all of these different asset types efficiently. This means fewer transactions are needed, which leads to lower gas fees and much easier management of in-game economies. It would be like trying to plug a European appliance into an American outlet, it just wouldn't work. These standards are the glue that holds the digital economy together, enabling interoperability and innovation, from the fungible tokens that power our digital economies to the unique ENFs that define digital ownership. And the hybrid game assets that are building new virtual worlds. Blockchain tokens are fundamentally reshaping how we store, share, and trade value online. So the next time you buy an NFT, swap a token on an exchange, or earn a reward in a game, you'll know exactly what kind of powerful technology is working behind the scenes. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Factsralogy, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.